Core fractional CO2 resurfacing is the key to complete facial rejuvenation in just one treatment. It dramatically enhances skin tone and texture, eliminating the effects of sun and aging as it smooths out lines, wrinkles, scars, and age spots. During treatment, Core applies CO2 laser energy to the skin in the form of a matrix, creating tiny islands of damage surrounded by healthy tissue. The healthy skin tissue accelerates the healing process. Following treatment, new collagen and healthy skin cells are produced, giving your skin a younger, rejuvenated appearance. Core delivers rapid results with less downtime than traditional resurfacing, so you can return to your normal routine quickly. Core fractional resurfacing. Completely rejuvenate the appearance of your skin in just one treatment.
So what about the role of nutraceuticals in the total program, if you will? Using the right supplements, using the right hormones, using the right food, moving, exercising, and having that little spiritual piece to all of us, I do believe is extremely important. But it isn't just supplementation alone. It's about optimizing all of these to give us the health that we should have and all of the wonderful benefits that all of this provides. Putting all the pieces together is what we here at BioT will do and will work with you to do as we continue our journey together.
I really thought the only way to get these kind of results was with surgery, but no thanks, too scary.
Women everywhere are losing their skin inhibitions, their fear of cosmetic skin procedures. They've discovered Sublative, and the results are absolutely beautiful.
I knew it was time to do something about my wrinkles, but not too many things worked with my skin color. Plus, I'm afraid of needles, so I didn't think I had any options for a non-surgical procedure.
With Sublative, dramatically improved skin is achieved without a needle or knife, without having to miss a day of work, and without the high price of surgical techniques. Sublative is effective on a variety of skin conditions, including acne scars.
I had a few places that could use a touch-up, but I wasn't ready for surgery or those radical treatments you hear about.
To be honest, I was afraid of some of the more aggressive treatments, and Sublative gave me a way to reduce some of my small wrinkles without any surgery.
Bypassing the upper layers of the skin, Sublative reduces surface damage, stimulating the natural production of collagen at the source. This resets the body's regenerative process, which is why results continue to improve over time.
Best of all, it worked. I didn't have to hide out, and there was no downtime or blotchiness.
I looked better almost immediately, and then my skin just got better and better. I am so happy with the way Sublative softened my look, filled out those little fine lines and wrinkles. It was easy. The treatment only took 1 hour, didn't mess with my schedule, and I was back to work. I love it.
Sublative softened my wrinkles so smoothly and easily. I'm very pleased with the results. Very affordable, too.
Sublative wasn't just easy, it really worked. And now all my friends tell me how good I look. I feel like everyone can see the real me, and I am so happy. I love it.
Isn't it time to lose your skin inhibitions? To look the way you feel, younger, more vibrant? Then talk to your doctor or dermatologist today about Sublative. 1 hour can make all the difference.
Parentheses have a place, but not on your face. Lose those lines with Juvederm. Juvederm is an injectable gel your doctor uses to smooth out wrinkles. Like those lines on the sides of your nose and mouth? Instantly. Side effects, usually mild to moderate, included temporary injection site reactions like redness, pain, firmness, swelling, or bumps. Smooth, natural. Everyone will notice, but no one will know. Ask your doctor about Juvederm.
When I'd smile, they weren't as noticeable. But when I wasn't smiling, there they were, right smack in the middle of my face.
I'd catch a glimpse of myself and would think, who is that and where do those lines come from?
So I went to my doctor and I told him what bothered me about my face, and I said, these.
I hate those parentheses lines. Is it okay to say hate?
I wanted them gone. The sooner the better.
I didn't want to look done. I just want to look like me.
Those parentheses lines, I used to have them too. That was before I discovered Juvederm. Now I'm a huge fan and a loyal patient, which is why I'm here to talk to you about Juvederm. Juvederm is the next generation dermal filler. As your skin ages, it loses structure and volume, which causes those wrinkles and folds. Juvederm smooths away lines and wrinkles by putting back what nature took away. Juvederm is a smooth gel dermal filler made of hyaluronic acid, or HA, which helps to attract and maintain water, hydrating your skin and increasing its volume. Smooth and natural-looking result in an instant. How great is that? With Juvederm, you're just a few minutes away from fabulous. Now, you've heard how women felt about their wrinkles and folds. Here's what those same women are saying after Juvederm.
What I liked the best is no one could figure out what I'd done.
It's true what they say. Everyone will notice, but no one will know.
I couldn't get over how easy it was. It was like, hey, where'd those wrinkles go around my nose and mouth?
And now I look in the mirror and I can barely remember what those lines were like before.
Juvederm smoothed away those wrinkles above my lips. Now my lipstick stays in place. I didn't even need my glasses to see the difference. It's like, hello, I'm back.
People would comment on how refreshed I looked. I just thought it was funny. I'd say, thanks.
Why not?
Did your doctor do those before and after pictures?
Yeah.
Because mine did, and I could really see the difference right away.
Aren't you glad we did this?
It was so easy. I tell everyone, go to the Juvederm website now.
People are so happy with the results they get from Juvederm. Now here are some more, before and after.
I love that the results are so instant.
My husband is still trying to figure out what's different about me.
If you want to learn more, check out the Juvederm website. You can learn all about Juvederm, how it works, what people are saying about it. Hey, has anyone tried the facial assessment tool?
that part of the website where you put in all that stuff and you get a picture of what you want to look like? I love it. I brought it to my doctor to show him what I want to look like.
Yeah, I tried the assessment tool too. It was so
It's
great. It helped me understand what wrinkles and folds I have on my face and showed me what Juvederm could do to smooth them away. It really helped to have something to show my doctor.
Ask about Juvederm for smooth, natural-looking results that last. Lose those lines. Look smooth and natural. You'll see. Everyone will notice, but no one will know. Ask your doctor about Juvederm. Ask about Juvederm today, because parentheses have a place, but not on your face.
Hi, my name is Dana, and I am 39 years old.
Hi, I'm Tammy, and I love playing basketball with my kids and hanging out with them.
Hi, I'm Kathy, and I'm a mother of 4 children.
My name is Rachel. You know, my mother told me never tell your age. A woman should never tell your age. So secret.
3 things in my life that keep me youthful are my kids, number 1. Actually, number 2 and number 3. My kids keep me young.
I play basketball with my son. I'll take every minute that I can with them.
I always thought that the wrinkles were the sign of getting older, but a few years ago I noticed my cheeks were starting to sag.
I don't feel old, so why should I look old? When I talk to my doctor, I learn that as we age, our faces lose volume.
And that can make you look older. My doctor also told me that Juvederm Voluma XC could help my cheeks.
My biggest fear of the Juvederm Voluma XC treatment was the results. I didn't want to look fake or plasticky.
I'd never done anything like that before, and I just was uncertain. I was hoping for really just the more youthful version of me.
The results are pretty dramatic. After the Juvederm Voluma XC treatment, my face looks much fuller, but really natural.
I have fuller, rounder cheeks. My face is less sunken.
My daughters actually came to me and said, "Mom, your cheeks look really full and natural."
I'm not trying to look 40 or even 30. I just wanted to look the best that I can be today.
Since I've gotten the Juvederm Voluma XC treatment, it feels amazing. I'm excited about it. I'm looking forward to 40. I think I'm entering the best part of my life.
Many men and women are suffering from symptoms that are putting their quality of life in jeopardy, such as feeling run down and tired, moody, difficulty sleeping, weight gain, and reduced desire for intimacy. These problems are even putting many relationships in danger.
You'll be happy to learn there's an exciting natural solution available, BioT. Your body reduces important hormone production each year as we age. Hormones regulate things such as muscle strength and energy, mood, libido, weight gain, and mental clarity.
BioT uses a natural way for men and women to correct these problems by safely and accurately balancing hormone levels using tiny cardio-activated hormone pellets placed under the skin.
It's amazing that something this small can make such a big difference in how you look and feel.
The path to looking and feeling better can start now. Simply go to biotmedical.com to find a certified BioT medical provider near you. BioT natural solution for a healthier, happier you. It's the right choice.
The ELOS Plus is a multi-application workstation that actually treats many of the aesthetic concerns that our patients present to us, such as vascular problems or redness of the face, rosacea, pigmented lesions such as sunspots, age spots, etc., and excess hair, tightening of the skin, and improvement of the texture of the skin as well, like large pores, superficial wrinkles, scars, and all these things can be treated with this one workstation. I'm Amy Foreman-Taub. I'm a board-certified dermatologist who has a private practice in the suburbs of Chicago, and I'm also an assistant clinical professor at Northwestern University Department of Dermatology. I've been using their products, their workstation, for the past 12 years. This is the newest iteration, the newest model, and it far exceeds all the other models that have been there before.
Hi, my name is Michael Gold. I'm a dermatologist in Nashville, Tennessee. ELOS Plus is a platform created by Cineron Candela. In order to understand the ELOS Plus, you got to understand a little bit about ELOS, which is, uses electrical optical energy and radio frequency together. And the advantage of that is the RF energy allows us to use less optical energy. So that's really nice because we don't have to use as much power on our optical side because we're adding in some radio frequency. To me, the biggest part of this is what we call sublative and sublime. The standalone device we call E-Matrix or E2 if it combines the deep heating part of it, but they're built into the ELOS Plus. Sublative rejuvenation is a phenomenal technology. Basically, it's bipolar fractionated radio frequency. It works by having what we call minimal epidermal injury or destruction and allows us to target the dermis with our radio frequency energy in a fractionated mode.
With this intelligent feedback system in the ELOS Plus that actually tells you the change in the temperature during the actual treatment, your treaters, whether it be estheticians, physician assistants, nurses, they're really able to monitor the skin much more completely and hit that sweet spot every time, so they get a really good treatment, but they also avoid complications.
It's better for our patients. So we like this concept of having the ELOS technology built into what we do. So having said that, ELOS Plus is a workstation. You can build into it lots of different hand pieces that do a lot of different things depending on your practice. And so you have to decide what works best for you. You can build it in any configuration that you want. On the optical side or on the light side, we have rejuvenation hand pieces. They call it SRAs. And what's nice about ELOS Plus is we have hand pieces that have very small treatment guides on them to let us get into some difficult areas of treatment, like around the nose or around your eyes. And then we have bigger handpiece guides that allow us to treat full faces and off the face. So for rejuvenation, these are great devices.
I also love the new handpiece on the ELOS Plus device that is for pigmented and vascular lesions. And it used to be that I thought, oh, people really only care about their face. And now all of a sudden, the larger handpiece on the ELOS Plus has allowed us to do areas that we haven't really been able to do in the past as quickly. I'm mentioning to people, this great result that you had on your face, you can have that on your chest and your legs, and they're like, oh, that's so wonderful because I'm so I don't want to wear my shorts or my skirts, and then I show all my brown spots, and so this has been a marvelous upgrade.
Treating acne scars are hard, but now we have a method to do that with sublative rejuvenation, and we can treat ice pick acne scars. And that's something we haven't had with anything in a device. We picked some of the worst acne scar patients I ever had, and what we noticed was even after one treatment, with pretty impressive settings because I was pushing the device, we were able to make most of the scars disappear. And what was more evident, some of the patients we followed out a year, 2 years now, even 3 years, and there have been continued improvements. So the collagen regeneration that you're seeing from this deep dermal injury is continuing on even after we're finished the treatment for many, many months. With Subleta, it's one of the go-to devices. It's been for years now in my clinic for people that have bad acne scars or wrinkles. And one of the other things, because it's radiofrequency, there's a tightening effect. So I get tightening, and if I don't get enough tightening, I take the deep dermal heating part of it, which is also on the Elos Plus, and I can get tightening. To me, the Subleta part of it is a must. The SRAs are a must for rejuvenation. The Elos Plus gives me everything I need. You can build it as you see your practice needs. So you may have a practice that you don't need any of the laser components. Well, you don't get the laser components, and you may find you may need them later. You can add them in. If you're not doing hair removal, or you have other hair removal devices, you may not want to start with that, but you'll see as you get into it, you'll want that part of the puzzle, and so you add that in as well. And I think for a lot of people that are starting out or looking to expand their cosmetic business, how much money are you going to be able to spend? How many different pieces of equipment do you need? What's your space requirement, or how much space do you have in your office? To be able to have a platform that you can have with everything, so you can do wrinkles and scars and rejuvenation and brown spots and red spots, that's great, and deep heating, all in one platform. You can cover the gamut.
After 12 years of using this device, which has now been improved, I can honestly say I really don't think that there's any better device out there for treating all different skin types.
I think that having this kind of device lets you have best benefits for your practice because there's so many possibilities. This is one of the most sophisticated platform devices on the market. I think this is great for people, especially starting out or wanting to add on to their cosmetic practice.
Why do I use Restylane? To lose these wrinkles and my inhibitions.
I use it to hide my real age because he thinks I'm younger than I am. I use it to look good, even in fluorescent lighting.
Restylane is the #1 selling injectable dermal filler in the world. It restores youthful volume to smooth away facial wrinkles for natural-looking results, typically in one visit to your doctor. Restylane corrects the lines from your nose to the corners of your mouth. Redness, tenderness, swelling, and bruising may occur after injection and normally go away in 7 days. Ask your doctor if Restylane is right for you.
Christine, and this is my transformation story. I am a full-time real estate attorney, and I'm also a mom. Me and my best friend, who's also a lawyer, always had a joke that some days we have to dress up so we can pretend that we're real lawyers. It's always mattered a lot to me how I look. It changes how I feel, and it changes how I perform. My typical work day starts at 9, and I don't leave till like 7:30. There's a lot of stress, a lot of balancing between my family life and my work life. What was happening is that I was getting some comments at work that I looked really tired. And that was my aha moment, looking in the mirror and saying, wow, I really do look tired. In my field of work, I think women certainly get judged by how they look. And if there's a perception that you're overloaded and you have too much going on and you can't keep all the balls in the air, that impacts how people think about your performance. Some of the other moms at school had been visiting dermatologists and were talking about a variety of things that they had done. Then it occurred to me, maybe I can do something about this recent, development of looking tired. That's how it was really focused for me. One of the things that I was really attracted to was the fact that the change in me would be gradual and it would take place over time, and there would not be a dramatic change in the way I looked. My doctor told me that it lasts for up to 2 years, which for me really translates into not only a natural look that won't be dramatic and noticed by people, but also the fact that I just don't have to come back to the doctor's office. Being as busy as I am, I can't really take time out of my work day, on a monthly basis. I had some Sculptra aesthetic in this lower part of my face, around my mouth area. There's not as much of a kind of general frown, I guess, as there was before. And when I look in the mirror, I don't see the same lines necessarily that I used to notice, particularly in photographs. I have had a reaction at work, and it hasn't been like, oh, wow, you don't look tired anymore, but it's a little more subtle than that. I think it's, wow, you look good, or you look really rested. Did you just get back from vacation? Here's a picture of myself that was fairly recent with my best friend's new baby. And when I looked at this picture, I think it really kind of summed up for me what I like about the way I look now. I don't look tired, I am almost glowing, and I look well rested and content and happy to be me.
that I wake up and think about and want to do every day of my life. I've been dancing since I was probably 5 years old.
Faster on the pirouette.
Not only do I have to choreograph it, I have to inspire them.
Much better.
But yes, looking good is absolutely a part of it.
Just one treatment of Radiesse, a volumizing filler, immediately provides the lift needed to diminish wrinkles and folds.
I feel beautiful again. It's like giving me back my youth.
And because Radiesse naturally stimulates your body's own collagen, the benefits continue over time, lasting up to a year or more in many patients. After injection, patient may experience redness, bruising, swelling, or other local side effects. Most side effects of treatment resolve within a few days.
It's a very emotional kind of tie I have with my dancers.
Contact your cosmetic doctor about Radiesse.
Now I look like I feel inside.
Look and feel more radiant. To learn more, visit Radiesse.com.
This is what I live for. I absolutely love it.
Radiesse. It just gets better.
Relook, rethink, reimagine. Because right here, right now, it's time to take a closer look at Botox Cosmetic, the only FDA-approved treatment for the temporary improvement of both moderate to severe frown lines and crow's feet. See what real results can really look like. So talk to your doctor about Botox Cosmetic and make it part of what you do for you. The effects of Botox Cosmetic may spread hours to weeks after injection, causing serious symptoms. Alert your doctor right away, as difficulty swallowing, speaking, breathing, eye problems, or muscle weakness can be a sign of a life-threatening condition. Do not take Botox Cosmetic if you have a skin infection. Side effects may include allergic reactions, injection site pain, eyelid drooping, and swelling. Tell your doctor about your medical history, muscle or nerve conditions, and medications, including botulinum toxins, as these may increase the risk of serious side effects. Look me in the eyes and see what's possible. Botox Cosmetic. It's time to take a closer look. VeloShape is the fast and easy way to shape and slim your body. It treats the abdomen, thighs, arms, and neck. In as little as 2 treatments, VeloShape improves the texture of your skin as it treats cellulite and decreases circumference. VelaShape employs a synergistic combination of high-powered radio frequency and infrared energy, combined with a pulsed mechanical vacuum to deliver heat to the body's subcutaneous fat layer. The result? Smoother-looking skin and reduced circumferences. For consistent results without discomfort or downtime, shape and slim your body with VelaShape.
Well, I work out and everything, and I just feel like I just can't get it there.
I have a six-pack, but unless I starve myself, it stays hidden.
I want to look good. I work out very hard. I want those results to show.
I actually do probably triple the squats of what other people do.
Workout not working out? Research shows that stubborn belly fat actually resists diet and exercise. UltraShape is a virtually painless way to eliminate the fat that defies your best efforts. FDA-cleared UltraShape uses non-invasive ultrasound to permanently eliminate fat cells with no visible signs of treatment. And best of all, there's no downtime for recovery. UltraShape works in just 3 45-minute virtually painless treatments 2 weeks apart. You can see the first natural-looking results in as early as 2 weeks. Imagine a better-looking body in just 6 weeks. Since its introduction, UltraShape has been generating quite a buzz from the news media.
I would highly recommend the procedure to my friends and others wanting an alternative to surgery.
I've completed 2 treatments and I already see a difference. Best part is, you just lay there and it only takes about an hour.
There have already been over 300,000 successful UltraShape procedures performed in 50 countries throughout the world. Get rid of that stubborn belly fat once and for all. Ask your doctor about UltraShape today. Learn more about UltraShape at ultrashape.com. UltraShape, a better way to a better looking body.